sing a song. I'm going on a train, cause now it's climate change. It's going everywhere and everybody's scared. So we'll march inside the streets and then we'll have our beats. Cause we will overcome and we are never done. Cause we will change the world and I am just one girl. But combine all our voices and we can make it. Ooh, let's change the world.
I'ma put it back up on the train track. I'ma take it down and we I'ma keep rapping cause I wanna make you smile. I wanna go ahead and entertain you for a while. I wanna go ahead and throw it down.
Oh yeah, two girls saving the world. Their voices, they're saving the world. Rapping, playing music, yeah those girls. Oh, they're crazy, riding trains with all these hippies and their friends. We're always making it a scene inside our head, and I don't know what I'm saying because they lost the beat again.
Yeah, we got some girls making noise, but don't forget about your boys.
True. I forgot about you.
It's hard because oftentimes we see them as our toys.
I'm gonna back away from that.
He didn't like that he stopped. He's just trying to run.
It's been real. Reconvene. 10 minutes. Yeah.